Did you know Winston Churchill let millions of people starve to death and the world barely noticed for decades? In 1943, Churchill's image was untouchable. He was the man who stood against Hitler, the defender of freedom, the voice of civilization. That same year, Bengal was dying. A famine had swept through India, and British officials were begging London to send emergency food shipments. The ships existed. The grain existed. The requests were denied. Churchill personally blocked the aid. When told people were dying, he reportedly asked why Gandhi hadn't died yet. He wrote that Indians were a beastly people with a beastly religion. Between 2 and 3 million people starved to death. The food that could have saved them was redirected to British wartime stockpiles in Europe. These weren't rumours. They were documented in classified wartime records that stayed buried for decades under the weight of his legend. The same man history called a moral giant made a choice. He just made sure the world would spend generations not looking at it.